turabikomeza nyuma. Izo zindi zari turazikomeza mu kanya, ariko reka tubanze dusoze zino episode zisohotse ni nkeya cyane. Beauty in Black sibyo twita twikomereza. Robe hano twari turi maze hari mu bitaro hano twari turi season ya kabiri episode ya mbere.
Okay.
Umeze neza muze?
No.
Oya.
Do I need to get the doctor?
Cyangwa magana muganga? Oya.
You can't help me.
Ntacyo wamfasha.
You just did.
Ariko mukanya uramfashije.
Sure about that.
Koko se? Kunyinisha.
Do you know how much joy this is giving?
Usu buryo nishimyemo kubera ibibaye.
Can't really tell right now.
Sinzi.
Oh no, my cancer's eating away at my body, but my soul.
Kanseri yanjye umubiri uri kuyirya, ariko ibyishimo birandenze muri kano kanya.
Look on their faces.
Wabonye ukuntu famiye yanjye yarebaga? Yego nabibonye.
They look like they were devastated.
Bari bameze nko bashaka kutumira bunguri.
Makes me want to fight.
Ewana bitumye numva narwanira ubuzima.
See that every day.
Kugira ngo buri munsi nge mbona famiye yanjye yarakaye kuriye.
I got those sons of bitches.
Ziranya zimbwa ndazihamije zose.
That bad?
Ese nabantu babi bigezaho?
You have no idea.
We ntago bize. Umve.
It's gonna be all right.
Ese kimi ntacyo bazamutwara?
My father's there's a lot of stipulations.
Papa wanjye mu nyandiko z'imirage yadusigiye yashyizemo udutendo twinshi.
They won't get their shares.
Ku buryo bagize icyo batwara kimi imigabane yabo yose bayibura.
If not, I would have been dead.
Iyo biza kuba hari icyo bantwara nari kuba narishwe kera.
Okay, that's
sawa.
Fine for me.
Kuri njye urumva ndatekanye. Ariko se murumuna wanjye na Rain bo biti.
Don't worry.
Ntugire ikibazo. Kuki?
I need them protected.
Nkeneye ko barindwa nabo. Ubishyire mu nyandiko barindwe ku buryo ntawe wabakoraho.
My father's will can't be touched or.
Umva, inyandiko zasizwe na papa z'imirage nta kintu twahinduraho.
But mine can't be.
Ariko njye zanjye zabikora.
Okay,
ndaza kubyongeramo nabo babarinde. Rain na murumuna wawe nibyo aribyo nshaka gukora. Angel se wa mu mansuzi w'umuhungu.
Angel is good.
Angel ameze neza, polisi zamufunze, twe turabiza basoje season ya kabiri. Ari hehe?
I actually don't know.
Ntago mbiza hano.
Well, you should find him.
Ugomba kumushaka.
I want to see him.
Ndashaka kumubona.
All right.
Sawa. Kamuhamagare. Uyu ni Rain.
Also, we need to talk about you saying.
None se famille yawe ko yibwiye ngo ndi boss wabo bite? Uyaraseka. Ko babwiye ngo ndi boss wabo. Ndashaka kubimenya.
Did you see their faces when I said?
Wabonye mvuga ngo uri boss wabo ukuntu barebye?
Did.
Yego nabibonye ariko. None se uragira ngo mukuru wanjye managing company yawe?
Nothing about running.
Holas nta kintu nzi kuyobora company.
I got the right people in place.
Nateguye abantu bagomba kugufasha. Bande se? Humura.
I'll fill you in.
We nzabikwinjizamo.
I need to rest now.
Nkeneye kuruhuka nona. Mukobwa agiye kuyobora.
And
Kindi.
An Angel.
Shaka Angel.
He's not answering.
Ntabwo ari kwitaba.
We'll find him.
Find him. Okay, you should head to the house.
Mujye mu rugo.
The house?
Mu rugo?
Yes.
Yego iwanjye.
James.
James. Niwe muyobozi cyangwa se umukozi mukuru wo mu rugo araza kubafasha. Yeah? Babateguriye mu rugo mugomba kuba.
What?
Yes.
Shit, I'm getting out of here.
Yeah? Uyarumirwa. Bagiye kujya kuba kwa muzeyi.
His name is.
Shoferi ari hariya.
And he works for Jules.
Bose bakorera Jules.
Hold on. I've had him checked out.
Umva umushoferi namusuzumye uzajya batwara. Ni umupolisi wa nyawe.
Caught up.
Nuko yisanze muri bibiri.
He's got some special skills.
Ikindi afite ubumenyi bwinshi nshaka umukoresha.
I don't want to be around nobody that.
Jesse nshaka kuba ndi kumwe n'umuntu ukorera Jiri. Cyangwa Jules.
It's not about who you can trust.
Ikibazo ntabwo ari ukwiye kwizera.
Can't trust none of these motherfuckers.
Nta n'umwe ukwiye kwizera.
It's about leverage.
Ahubwo we ni ukuba uri hejuru yabo. Tumufiteho byinshi ku buryo agomba kugukorera. Buriya hari igihe umuntu umufiteho ikintu yaba utamwizera akaba agomba guca bugufi akagukorera kugira ngo icyo kintu utagishyira hanze.
Gonna be the hardest for you.
Ibintu ngiye kukwigisha bishobora kuba ari byo bintu bizakugora weho na Angel uburyo ugiye kwitwaramo.
It's easy to play games with the nigga who looks.
Biba byoroshye gukina n'iniga imikino ireba ibintu biri imbere.
Look around corners.
Ndakwigisha kujya ucunga hirya no hino no kureba hazaza.
average.
uburyo kigomba kujya uba bafite abo muhanganye bose cyangwa se bano ugiye kuyobora.
Son of a bitch.
nyana yimbwa famiye isohotse ibabaye. uriya mukobwa ninde muzehe arongoye?
Mallory, chill.
bwira mama wawe ari we ntawe nzi.
Tell me something.
hagira umbwira uriya mukobwa ninde muzehe arongoye?
You have the pleasure?
urashaka kugira icyo uvuga?
Maybe we should go to your place.
ahari tujya iwawe aba ariho tubiganirira.
I would agree.
nanjye niko mbibona.
That's fine.
ibyo ni
I
sawa.
want your black ass at my house.
sinshaka buno kawe k'umukara mu rugo.
What's happened?
uyatekereza ko yaryamana n'umugore we?
Bullshit.
ntabyo nari nzi ko muzehe azamurongora.
You wouldn't know that, huh?
ntabwo yari abizi. wari kuba ubizi yabimenya.
Had to warn me.
Well,
ariko yagerageje kumburira.
how did he try to walk?
yagerageje kukuburira ikirere avuga.
I certainly didn't know it was all of this.
ntabwo nari mbizi ko bizagera hano.
I'm not this morning just like the rest of you.
nabimenye mu gitondo nkamwe ko muzehe agiye kurongora.
My wife dies, and he gets.
umugore wongera apfuye none ikigoryi cyo gikoze ubukwe.
So I want to know everything about
ndashaka kugira icyo menya kuri uriya mukobwa arongoye.
and our boss.
Yeah, that part.
ahubwo tumenye impamvu bamugize ngo bosi wacu.
And he can put anyone in as CEO that he wants.
bivuze ngo yamugize CEO kuko yari asanzwe ari we muyobozi wanyu niwe ugiye kubayobora.
Spell it.
uriya mukobwa utazi n'uburyo basiperinga CEO niwe ugiye kutubera CEO.
Where?
I don't know, but I have.
uriya mukobwa ariko ngiye ndumva hari ahantu namubonye ntibuka.
As I suggested before, maybe we should go somewhere else.
urabizi tuve hano dushaka ahantu tujya kuganira bino bibazo. Rowan arasohoka. Rowan avayo dore kubyimba imbere y'abakira abakobwa bicuruzaga indangamirwa zimaze kuyobora abantu hano. Rowan Jules dore ko namureba umeze ute yajyaga mukanga kera.
How do I look?
urabona se meze nte? urabona meze ndabona uri muzima mva kumukangamo.
It's more than I can say.
ibyo ngibyo rero ngemeza ibirenze ibyo.
Do you two know each other?
mwembi babiri muraziranye?
Oh yeah.
cyane.
We go way back.
uyu turaziranye cyane.
Perhaps you should remember that in your tone.
ibyo rero wakagombye kubyibuka n'uburyo mvugishamo. yego.
Who is Alex?
Alex ninde hano?
That would be me.
uwo ni njye.
Come with me.
ngwino tujyane. bakobwa bari indangamirwa batangiye gutegeka abakire.
He's my driver.
wewe uyu ni umushoferi wanjye.
Other one.
ushaka undi mushoferi ntabwo akiri umushoferi wawe turashize.
For me.
wewe uwo musore arankorera.
You work for
nawe ariko
Kimmy.
ukorera Kimi. ubu Kimi niwe bosi wanjye.
Right, Jules?
sibyo Jules ntabwo ukorera Kimi. bihakane se ko Kimi atari we bosi wawe. ureba ari we basigiye imirage katabyuka kwirukana. bakiri aho Kimi arasohoka na murumuna we. dore kuntu amureba uribuka kuri indanga. Kimi dore kumukanga.
Motherfucker.
banyita Mrs. Barrel Madanuza ahita mutuka no kuri mama we. banyita Mrs. Barrel tangira nyine unyubaho unyite madamu w'umukira pana kumenyera unyita Kimi. utanamutuka. indangamirwa nacuruzaga itangiye kuntuka. indangamirwa nacuruzaga itangiye kuntuka kuri mama. Beauty in Black niko tureba.
The language.
icunga ururimi rwawe aho duturuka nuko tuvuga.
Your sons?
abo se n'abahungu bawe?
Fortunately. No. Yes.
yego n'abahungu banjye.
Then I'm sure you've heard worse than that.
bivuze rero ngo wumvishe amagambo mabi kurusha uyu mukobwa avuze. Kimi nimba warabyaye aba bahungu batukana nka jame.
I don't think we've met. Hi, I'm Mallory.
ntabwo nyine ko tugeze duhura banyita Marori.
I know who you are.
uwo uri we ndakuzi.
Welcome to the family.
urakaza neza muri famiye yacu. amukora ku rutugu.
Remember? Didn't I see you shaking your ass on the pole?
ariko ntabwo nigeze kubona uri kuzunguza akabuno muri club umansura.
Do you coming out of the back?
wese sinakubonye uva muri wese uvuye kuryamana n'umumansuzi w'umugabo ufite ku kayene ku zuru. turashize.
Oh, she quick.
mukobwa arabangutse. njye nshobora no kugukunda abatinganyi rero.
I like you.
njye no kuri nakwikundi abatinganyi no kubabimereye. ndagufite. uyu ni umutinganyi nta kibazo aba yifitiye aba afite vibe ziraho nziza.
Wants to see you.
Horace arashaka kukubona.
I'm looking at you.
njyewe urabona atari weho ndi kureba. uyu mukobwa afite ukuntu afunze umutwe nawe bamubwiye ati ntiwisuzugure. muzehe yamutangiye kumwaka ku masomo ati bari abantu nimba nkugize bosi wabo famiye yanjye ntibaguhabye.
Doctor, and I'll be back.
genda uvugane na muganga ndagaruka. ni Kimi barikanguye umukobwa ko afite n'ukuntu abyimbamo. dore ukuntu baca ariko izi si zari indangamirwa. dore ukuntu zibareba. indangamirwa noneho yabonye amafaranga iragukandagira ikoresha rya tegeko rya mbere. niryo muzehe yababwiye bagomba gukoresha no kugenderaho. itegeko rya mbere riravuga ngo umuntu nakubaho ujye umukandamiza. niryo indangamirwa rero zikoresha.
It's really to my fucking driver.
That's not all.
iriya ndaya yantwariye n'umushoferi.
This shit don't make no damn sense.
bino bintu ntabwo bisobanutse. birasobanutse.
What's funny?
Ni iki gisekeje?
Family.
Iyi famiye yanyu.
Then why are you a part of it then, Mal?
Kuki famiye irimo Mallory? Kikuzimu.
That's right.
Bano bahora batongana.
Good shit. And if you didn't have me,
Kubera ko uri umukene, iyo uza kuba utafite ari kuba ukene. Iyo nza kuba ntarashakanye nawe.
What?
you heard me.
I heard your ass, and I'll be sitting on a yacht with a billionaire.
Iyo nza kuba narashakanye nawe bari kuba nicaye ku mazi ndi mu bwato bw'abakire. Umva abakobwa ukuntu baba bari imibare yabo. Nuko bangareba umugabo akamubwira ati wa mugabo yuza kutanshaka n'ubukene ufite ubu nari kuba nicaranye n'abantu batunze za miliyari turi ku mazi yo za Dubai n'ahandi none reba nashakanye nawe. Nuko abakobwa baba babona cyane cyane bo n'abagenzi bari byo barimo.
You're selling yacht with a billionaire, huh?
Wari ko wicaye mu bwato bw'umuntu utunze za miliyari cyane.
That's what I would be doing.
Ahita akuramo impeta.
You have my permission.
None ngo hayuru ushajya kuri ubwo bwato n'abakire wicareyo. Nimba ubona nk'uveteza ari igihe umugore mushaka no kubona kuveteza. We naguze imbaraga z'umugore mwiza. Iyo myumvire bana banje nimukayumve. Wumvishe ari ku mugore. Ngo naguze imbaraga z'umukobwa mwiza z'umugore mwiza icyo zakora.
That's what the hell you do.
That shit.
Ibyo se nibiki.
Be on that
ubwo bwato
for a day.
unabugiyeho bw'umukire wabumaraho umunsi umwe kandi koko nibyo ukeka kuri mwiza ushobora kujya kuri ubwo bwato bw'umukire ariko se wabumaraho kangaho umukire bukwicazaho rimwe ejaza nundi abasimburanya nago wabumaraho kabiri.
Look at my darn husband.
Banakurukana kuri ubwo bwato utaramara icyo kunywa cyambere.
You were sleeping with a whore that was sleeping with.
Waryamanaga n'indayi iyo ndayi ikava ikanaryamana na papa wawe.
How you let Jules do that to you?
Ubundi gute Jules yabaciriye gutyo?
Shit.
And you didn't do shit because you asked him to set you up.
Bivuze ngo wabwiye shire ngo nagupangira indaya iyo ndayi ipangira na papa wawe mwembi mukajya muryamana nayo. None iyo ndayi yashakanye na papa wawe.
Nasty ass bastard.
Cyakoza shire n'umusazi. Shire n'umusazi kabisa.
In whores.
We na horas papa wawe.
The same whore that works at a strip club.
Yapanze ukuntu mwese muzajya muryamana n'indayi ikora muri club y'abamansuzi.
And I mean everything.
Mbwira buri kimwe. Nta kintu nkubwira.
You know I'm gonna find out anyway, right?
Urabizi ko n'ubundi nzabimenya.
I always do.
Iteka ndabimenya. Wintera ubwoba man. Bano bahora batongana nuko bavugana.
Ain't no damn threat.
N'umugabo n'umugore buri gihe untera ubwoba.
Coming to the company.
Iriya ndayaje muri company yacu.
Yes, every day.
Buri munsi igiye kujya mbona agatafari kayo muri office.
She's gonna come to the company.
Nizere ko ndayitazaza muri company yacu. Nizere ko nazamubona muri office ya papa wawe kandi office ya papa wawe iteganye na office yanjye tuzajya duhora turebana.
If you throw out the window then all our shares are gone.
Tuzamumanure mu idirisha tumwice imigabane ye tuyisigarane.
You know whose fault this really is? It's that big muscle head ass nigga. That's whose fault it is.
No big muscle. It's your damn daddy.
So ryamana na kira cyavoka se.
He did this because your ass taunted him.
It ain't my fault.
Makosa nagara yaje. Makosa na yawe.
Laying in that hospital bed.
Ubwo wari uryamye mu bitaro kubera iriya ndaya makosa na yandi.
Are you through?
I'm not.
Urasoje nago ndasoza.
No, because I bet your ass $1 million.
Ndasheta miliyoni ko.
You and Charles are out that damn will.
Ko weho na Charles bashaka no kubakura kuri iriya mirage burundu. Charles ni wa muhungu umutinganye bavukana.
Don't say that.
Uramuginga nakifuje ko yagapfuye.
No you don't.
Because
then we'll be stuck with that whore Kimmy running the damn company.
Ubu tugiye kujya twirwana na Kim ayoboye company.
You don't want that.
Kandi ibyo nawe ntago bishaka. Ntago bino nabyizera. Bagiye kuyoborwa n'indaya bajyaga bamwoherereza akayigura ku muhanda imansura ukajya kubona wari umukire papa warakubwiye ngo iyo ndani yigiye kukuyobora. Ibaza ibyo bintu nawe yandangamirwa waguraga 5 dore ngiye.
Check on Rain and my sister.
No. Hold on.
Ngiye kuzana Rain na mushiki wanjye.
I need you to add Sylvie.
Ndagira ngo wongereho Sylvie na Rain na Angel mu mirage yanjye.
Part of our family.
Ubagire famille yacu.
Yes sir.
Yego. Uze akunda wa mumansuzi w'umusore shaho. Nabo barindwe nk'uko abandi barindwa mu mirage bari gushyiramo.
I use the same language your father used.
Okay, ndakoresha ururimi nk'urwo papa wawe yakoresheje.
What can you do it?
Urabikora ryari?
Get on it as soon as I leave here, sir.
Nyivano ndahita mbikora.
Okay. I need it done today.
Absolutely.
I want you to tell her everything.
Wait.
Uyu mukobwa umubwire buri kimwe.
If he's gonna tell me everything.
Uyu muntu ndamenya n'iki bwirwa n'iki kari bumubwire buri kimwe.
You can leave.
We busohotse bugiye.
Yes, sir. Kimmy.
I told you not to ask me.
Narakubwiye ngo ntukambaze ibibazo nk'ibyo ngibyo imbere y'abandi bantu.
You can't trust none of these motherfuckers. in your ass.
bano bantu nta numwe ugomba kwizera.
You got a lot to learn before I die. I'm not gonna be here that long. I don't have
ntago nzamara hano igihe kinini.
to worry about hurting your feelings.
ntago mfite rero igihe kinini cyo kukubona uhangayikishijwe n'ibyiyumviro byawe wasasa. Yego muzehe rero
What he doesn't know,
ikintu rero yatazi
got another firm.
nuko mfite indi cabinet d'avocat y'abandi bantu.
Tells me
buri kintu no mwavoka mbwiye
it's verified.
njya kuri iyo cabinet d'avocat y'abandi bavoka nabo bakakiverifiye bakambwira nimba aricyo cyayambeshye.
Pay attention.
umugabo ajya kubwira buri kimwe utega amatwi umurikodinge
Go to the firm.
nurangiza
You ask them questions.
ujye ku yindi cabinet d'avocat y'abavoka bakubwire nimba aribyo cyangwa yashatse kukubeshya.
I can't because he's so smart, but
ake abo bavoka bandi baramwanga kuko azi ubwenge bwinshi. ujye ujya kubabaza rero amakuru baba bapingana bavoka. avoka mega kubwira ikintu kimwe ukajya ku yindi cabinet d'avocat bakakubwira ikindi cyase bagahuza bakakubwira ati nibyo urebe.
okay,
rero
you should go to the house.
cya mu rugo
More issue.
ndacyafite ibibazo byinshi.
What?
ibihe
That night when Jules was...
rya joro ubwo Jire yari ari kunyirukankana n'iby'imodoka.
There was a man in the back seat.
iyo modoka nayisanzemo umuntu wari uyirimo inyuma.
The father-in-law of
uwo
some...
muntu akaba sebukwe wa Daniel Lakeland.
How do you know that?
ibyo bizi ute?
Angel saw it on the news. As
Angel abibonye mu makuru.
hat and coat.
Where's the car now?
iyo modoka iri heza ubu.
It was in the parking garage last I knew.
ubwo mperuka kumenya yari iri mu igaraje hasi aho baparika.
Went to go check on it.
cyangwa se Angel yagiye kuyireba ni wa musore.
You head to the house and I'll handle it.
we jya mu rugo ibindi ndabyitaho. muzehe
Okay.
sawa. ubwo urugo agiyemo kandi ni urwa muzehe nirwo agiye kuyobora kuko ubu ni madamu muzehe mu nyandiko niwe usigaranye ibintu byose mu nyandiko. urebe ukuntu voka yimbwa imanuka ihiye. ushobora kuba uri indangamirwa ku muhanda ejo ukabona ibintu birahindutse. cyangwa se mwese mwigire no ku muhanda wabona ariho amafaranga bategerereje ko n'ubundi ntababyaye ntacyo mumubwiye.
What?
mujye mubabaza biwanyu. uri hehe?
I'm in my where?
ndi hehe nyine?
At your brother's house, Charles.
uri mu rugo rw'umuvandimwe wawe? ntago ndi bugeyo.
Look, I need to get some rest. I'm going out.
nkeneye kuruhuka nijoro ndajya muri club.
Serious?
umutinganyi w'ikimuhangayikishije no kujya muri club.
What can I do?
none se papa nimba yashakanye n'indangamirwa ngiye bindeba yiki?
Thinking about this.
I don't need to be thinking about shit, but where my next piece of ass is coming from. I also think I'm on Chinese tonight.
iri joro ndashaka kuryamana n'umuntu ukomoka mu Bushinwa.
Charles.
wumve uyu niyo cyo kiba kimuhangayikishije.
You told me.
Varni warambwiye.
You tried to warn me.
wagerageje kumpa gasopo kuki wabibwiye famiye yawe?
Well, you did.
ariko warabikoze.
Own you in confidence.
nabikubwiye nk'uyizeye ngo bigume hagati yacu.
Well,
okay.
Charles, you can't tell them the shit that I'm telling
ibintu nakubwiye ntabwo ugomba kubibwira famiye yawe.
okay, I'm sorry.
aho kumbabarire
you. I just won't tell you shit.
cyangwa se nzongere kugira icyo nkubwira.
Well, it'd be great.
byaba ari byose aho utagize icyo umbwira ubundi gucya umbwira ibintu by'amabanga.
Charles, are you going over there or what?
ndagiye ugiye se.
Look, I got another call, another
hari
line.
indi telefone ngiye ku wundi murongo.
Somebody on the other line.
nta wundi murongo uriho.
It's not a telephone line, it's a line of...
ntabwo mvuga umurongo wa telefone ndavuga umurongo wa kokayine. akarayine arashaka gutereka amakarayine. njya mbabona mubinywa cyaze mumbabaza ntacyo dupfana rwose.
Well, you're doing better. So we can discharge you.
ubu ngubu umeze neza twagusezerera.
That's all I need.
ibyo ngibyo yewe yari yagize ikibazo yagiye kwiyongeresha ikibuno none baramubwiye ngo ameze
Stay
neza.
on the blood thinners, and if you have any pain,
nugira uburibwe wumva ujye uduhamagara ni abaganga tugukurikirane.
Come with any clothes?
ntarya naje hano nta myenda nambaye.
no, actually.
yeah.
But I'll have the nurse bring you.
ariko nabwira abaforomo bakakuzanira indi myenda. batangiye kumwubaha ibaze kujya kwa muganga bakakubwira ati turakuzanira n'imyenda utaha wambaye humura. riga n'abacuruzi bakubona iyo uri umugore w'umukire cyangwa umva ndi kureba inzu ya wa musaza online amazu y'abakira bari ku mbuga nkoranyambaga.
I see it in person.
iriya nzu noneho muyibonye amaso ku yandi mwakumirwa niyo bagiye kujya babamo. ni indangamirwa eshatu.
Feel about this driver.
ariko biriya bintu byo kuduha umushoferi njye simbyize
Dude.
ngo witwa Alex.
Look, we in this shit now.
umva bino buno tubirimo.
He said to trust the man, so we just.
uriya musaza tugomba kumwizera n'ibyo yatubwiye.
No, right.
sinzi Rain.
Me.
look at me.
The man just married
uriya
you.
mugabo mwashyingiranwe nta hantu agukinze imitungo ye wenda ngo nivangura mutunga ahita gushyira imitungo yose.
Really going good for us. Can we just go with it?
dutuze wana tugendane n'ibiri kugenda n'ibiri kuba.
He makes sure you two are straight.
Nje nzatuza ari uko mwembi namwe babashyize mu mirage ko mutekanye bazabarindira umutekano.
Feel like you know him, Rain. You do not.
Wigira nkaho muzeho muzi cyane Horace.
We gotta trust somebody.
Nje icyo nzi nuko tugomba kugira umuntu twizeye.
Do this.
Kandi ndizeye.
Man got a mansion.
uriya mugabo afite inzu afite amafarasi mu rugo tuzajya tugendaho tutishyuye data twigendere. iyi nanjye ibyo mbirimo ibintu by'ubuntu ngenda niruka dore ukuntu ibintu by'ubuntu ariko bibirukanza. Hano hari ugira amakenga buriya ngo inyamanza idakenga yishwe n'umututizi. uwo mugani se shamu wamuzi n'icyo uvuze. ntako nino.
Why you say that?
You see it, you'll know why.
So how long have you worked for Jules?
Maze igihe kingana iki ukorera Jiri?
I'm a cop of the city of Chicago.
Ndi umupolisi nkorera umujyi wa Chicago.
Should I ask him again?
Nongere mubazera? Ongera.
How long have you worked?
Maze igihe kingana iki ukorera Jiri?
I don't work for Jules.
Ntabwo nkorera Jiri.
I work for the Bellary family.
Nkorera famille yose ya ba Bellary.
So he on that shit.
Urongeye kandi.
Nothing.
Kuki uri kumuvugisha gutyo ntacyo?
Why are you speaking to him like
Kuki uri kumubwira nyine gutyo?
I want to talk.
he's Japanese?
wimwita inigo y'uno muyapani. Iyo ni iniga.
Only niggas work for Jules.
Amaniga niyo akorera Jiri ubwo n'abirabura.
What is your racial background?
Rata ukomoka he?
I'm Japanese.
Ndi umuyapani. Wumvishe?
You got some soul in.
Ngiye ndi kubona ubeshye.
I'm black and Dutch.
Ndi umwirabura uvanze
Nigga.
n'umudage.
Japa nigga.
Urumva kuri Japaniga rero uri umuniga.
You know I know who you are, right?
Urabizi ko nzi uri wariko?
I mean, besides my name.
Birenze izina ryanjye se?
I was at Delinda's. Hiding behind.
Nari ndi kwa Delinda nishe inyuma y'intebe. Ubwo wasanaga n'indi nyitwa mu polisi.
Came in there looking for something for Jules.
Muze gushaka ngo ikintu cya Jiri.
Heard y'all talking.
Numvishe ibyo mwaganiriye.
Well, if you remember correctly.
Nimba ibuka neza.
Officer Traxon.
Nari ndi kubwira umwofisi bita Traxon.
Everything you've been through.
Ko nyuma y'ibyo wanyuzemo byose.
I don't blame you for what you did.
Ko nta kurenganya ibyo wakoze.
What did she do?
Yari yakoze iki se mukuru wanjye?
She broke a very expensive table.
Yari yavunnye imeza ihenze kumbe yari yishe umuntu. Yari yarashederiye indu yaramuvuganira ngo yari yamennye imeza ihenze.
You're gonna really love the house.
Inzu tugiyemo muraza kuyikunda.
Lavish lifestyle.
Ewa nababayeho ubuzima bwiza. Utwo tugambo duceceke.
Eye on you.
Turi kugucunga.
I'm glad you are.
Ndishimiye ko muri kuncunga.
We don't like or trust you.
Ntabwo tugukunda nubwo tukwizera.
I can understand that.
Ndabyumva rwose. Nukora ikosa rimwe. Rimwe.
Got it.
Ndabyumva. Kuyoborwa n'indangamirwa zabyibye zibazi. Kubera ziba zarabaye ubuzima bubi ziba zigutunga. Akakosa kamwe tuba tukureba.
That's a lot of broken.
Ako izo meza ko numva zavunitse ari nyinshi.
Nobody really. We were there last night trying to hold it all together.
Ijoro ryese twari turi kugerageza gushyira ibintu ku murongo.
Nothing.
Nah, what?
Ikiza.
I know you.
Ndakuzi.
Oh, you do.
Nanjye ndakuzi. Mumbabarire ndabizi kunzi.
Table can't be.
Nsobanuye nk'ababana. Imeza zavunitse nago zakusanywa ngo zisubire ku murongo.
What about body?
Body se bitebye.
Body's in the hospital.
Body ari mu bitaro niya ndangamirwa. Body ari mu bitaro.
Yeah.
Yego.
She's alive.
Aracyari muzima?
Yeah, from what I heard.
Niyo makuru numvishe.
Guess her table didn't.
Ndumva imeza yari itaravunitse cyane.
What are y'all?
Ariko izo meza zivunika muri kuvuga nize kumbe nukurasa abantu yagiye arasa. Ngo nizo meza bari.
Guess we gonna have to pay somebody a little visit.
Je ndumva dukwiye kumusura.
Oh, we ain't visiting nobody, right?
Nta muntu tugomba gusura Rain.
You got unfinished business with her and I
Umva we nawe mufitanye business zitarangiye.
already done broke a
Wavunnye imeza.
At least break a chair.
Ahari nanjye najyeho nkavuna intebe.
Y'all talking about?
Ariko muri kuvuga ibiki akari kari umunaka.
Girl, be quiet.
Ni order twakoze kuri Amazon we ntago wabyumva. Kanakana.
You know Daga?
Daga uramuzi?
No.
Oya.
They call her the pump queen.
Bamwita Pump Queen.
No, I don't, but
Ntago muzi. Ariko namugushakira.
Yeah, you do that.
Iyo munshakire.
I need to have a word with both of them.
Ndashaka kuganira nabo bombi. Daga na Pump Queen. Mbirimo. Babonye amafaranga indangamirwa zabonye amafaranga sasa zitangiye kubaririza izindi ndangamirwa zabahohoteraga ku muhanda aho ziri. Ureba indangamirwa yabonye umufungo biraza kugenda biguha ishusho.
I did.
bahamagare nabikoze
Meeting here anyway.
none se ko batubwiye ngo turahurira hano bari
We need to figure this shit.
tugomba bino bintu kubanza kubisobanukirwa
That's how to take his ass down.
tugomba gushaka ukuntu tumushyira hasi Norman
A minute. Didn't you try to rob him?
ntabwo wagerageje kwiba muzese Horace
Huh? You know damn well he don't carry that much money at that.
ubundi wari ubizi ko adabitse n'amafaranga menshi mu rugo
Are you broke?
ese nta n'atanu ufite warakennye
You are broke.
hakuzi ko n'amafaranga ufite mukecuru
You never did keep your money very well.
ntabwo n'ubundi uri umuntu uzi kubika amafaranga wasubiye mu rusimbi
And you want to have with me?
This is a conversation we having.
iki nicyo kiganiro turimo
Not broke.
njye ntabwo nkennye uyu araseka mukecuru n'amafaranga ufite wasubiye mu rusimbi rurayarya ubu se basi iyo usheta ku kadege kawe nako ko gatanga amafaranga
Need that money every month.
niyo mpamvu ukeneye amafaranga ya buri kwezi muzehe yaguhaga
Oh, you can tell me.
You
mbwira
know what? Maybe if I ran an illegal
ahari
operation,
nanjye mba meze nkayo nkoriye
I'd have
mfite club itemewe n'amategeko y'abamansuzi
Like-
nari kuba mbitse amafaranga menshi
It's
nk'ayawe
about greed.
bivuze ngo ufite umururumba
the last motherfucker who said
uzi umuntu wanyise ngo ndi igisambo mfite umururumba icyo namukoreye
Still doing that old school shit.
uracyakoresha za tekinike za kera nakwigishije se
want me to get a bag.
nawe ngushakire ishashi se ngushyiremo umukecuru ni umugome ariko ngo yabyigishijwe n'uyu musaza
You need.
ukeneye angahe
But you greedy motherfucker.
ngeneye amafaranga menshi
All, and you will stop at nothing.
ya yandi menshi nyine atarekeraho kwinjira
In the will.
Well, then you know exactly why we're here.
uzi impamvu rero turi hano rebe umukecuru n'umwicanyi twaramubonye baza guparika hano n'izango nziza hey urebe
Here comes the colon sculpture.
uyasa hakora ino
Are they not here?
ntabwo baragera
On
hano
their way.
bari mu nzira baza
Shit, I'm going back home.
ngende itahiye
Wait a minute.
uretse
They come.
ndabona baje hari indi yo yisiza nizo bagendamo yahageze na madamu
Where the hell is Attorney Varney?
ni Roy avoka Varney ari hehe
We'll talk about it inside, Mom.
muze tubiganirire indani mama yo urebe
Oh, there you are.
Shut up.
ziba
Excuse me. He wanted to see me.
ngo yashaka kumbona
What?
Well, he wanted to add some people to the will.
yashakaga ko twongera abandi bantu
He wanted to protect them.
ngo kugira ngo bari abandi babiri nabo baze kuba barinzwe
Airtight for us.
You need to ask the right questions.
And what are the
ufite
questions?
kubaza ibibazo bizima ibihe bibazo bizima
Why the fuck you protecting them?
ubundi bari abantu kuki mukwiye kubarinda
Who are the people?
ubundi abo bantu ni bandi Vanny
Well, the people you saw in the room,
ba bandi mwabonye mu cyumba
named Angel.
n'undi muhungu bita Angel
Angel.
Angel
Yeah.
yego
He didn't have his last name for him,
nta rindi zina rye rya nyuma yari afite
but he's going to get it for me later.
ariko ndaza kurishaka
This angel look.
uwo Angel asa gute se
I have no idea.
ntago mbizi
What is it, little brother? Is that name turning you on?
izina rye se urumva nawe ritumye umushaka
I do not want to hear no disgusting.
oya rekera kuvuga umwanda wawe
He works at the club with Kimmy.
yakoraga muri club na Kimi amansura
Well, what kind of club is
isi iyo club ni nyabaki
I could take you there.
nakujyana iyo ushaka kuyimenya
this? Is serious?
werekeraho biri siri
One night.
iri joro ndajya muri iyo club rega kwirira show
Shit.
You
ntabwo dushaka kubyumva
your ears even work. Shut up.
Look, you
ase urashaje amatwi yawe nta nubwo acyumva
whoop your mouth.
wakenuye nagutimbura
Hey.
Norman
Down, calm
tuza
down.
Lord have mercy. I cannot believe that he married some.
ntabwo nakwizera ko umugabo wanjye yashakanye n'indaya kugira ngo yihorere
Well, then we all know that it isn't love.
turabizi ko biriya atari urukundo
We can challenge.
ese biriya bintu nta kuntu twabirwanya
We should do.
Let's.
Twabikora.
The attorney has to.
reka twumve icyo avoka avuga
Talk to me like I'm fucking.
we wimvugisha nkaho ndi ikigoryi
But the attorney, Barney,
njye ndumva avoka Vanny ntamushaka hano
Fuck up.
he's
wese
quack, Mom.
ni ikigoryi uriya
Can we contest it?
nta kuntu twarwanya rino shingirwa ry'iriya ndaya n'umugabo wanjye
It's incompetent.
tukavuga ko iriya ndaya idashoboye akazi
Dude, he don't even know this bitch.
iriya ndaya nta nubwo ayizi neza avoka urata watubwira uyu mugore sasa Marori ameze nk'aho ariwe ufite ubwenge usobanutse nyine uba ushaka kumva ibintu amategeko avuga abandi bo ni ugupfa kuvuga avoka arata avuga
Well, that's why he wanted the witnesses there.
Impamvu muze rero tutarwanya rino shingirwa rye n'iriya nda yashakanye nayo ngo mubashe kuba mwatesha agaciro ubuyobozi n'imigabane bayihaye mu yandi magambo. Niyo mpamvu muze yajya gushingiranwa n'iriya nda yahamagaye abatanga buhamya.
And a judge to do a copy.
Agahamagara noneho n'umucamanza
To prove that he's in his right mind.
Kugira ngo bamukoreshe cya kizamini kigaragaza ko yari muzima, yashingiranywe n'umuntu ari muzima, afite ubwenge, nta wamushutse.
Obviously he's not in his right mind.
Ariko muze yabikoze ameze nk'udafite ubwenge.
That shit with that bitch.
Yaba afite ubwenge ne gushakana n'iriya ndaye.
Legally.
Data mu buryo bw'amategeko ntabwo ibyo bintu twabirwanya.
I'm afraid not.
Ntabwo bishoboka.
Protected his shares and diluted some of it.
Uriya mugabo imigabane ye yose iri kuri uriya mugore iramurinze.
How much?
Iyo migabane ingana gute ko namwe babakaza ahubwo ababwiye ko nabo babakaza?
Well, him being the eldest son.
Bitewe nuko ari we wari imfura.
10%.
Yabakasiye 10%.
Bad as I thought.
Ndumva atari bicane nkuko nabitekerezaga.
Each of you.
Buri muntu wese muri mwe bamukasi 10% ku migabane ye.
What?
Bayashyira kuri iriya ndaya kugira ngo iriya ndaya bari nayiza kubiyoboye.
much money I'll be losing.
Uzaye amafaranga ndibuze kuba mombye.
All of us.
We ni twese badukase.
Motherfucker, this shit is not over.
Bino bintu ntabwo byarangira gutyo.
Bitch, I want to know everything about her.
Iriya ndaya ndashaka kuyimenyaho buri kimwe ituma twese badukata 10%. Buri muntu ku migabane bamukase 10% bayahira iriya ndaya. Bino bintu sinabyemera. Buri muntu ku migabane muri company bamukase 10% bayashyira kuri iriya ndaya. Ubona hano.
Okay, well,
Urabizi?
I guess you'll explain to me how this
Uraza
messes with my.
kunsobanurira ibyo bintu bijyanye n'imigabane ngiye nta nubwo mba ndi kubyumva. Yewe nta nubwo bari kubyumva kumubwira ngo bamukase 10% ntabwo yize nta mibarazi w'abayibereye aho mu biyobyabwenge. Yego ndaza kukubwira iby'imibare nyuma.
Can you make it soon, please?
Uze kubikora vuba.
No, I'm going out tonight.
Kuko iri joro ndi buze gusohoka nje ahantu bita.
Excuse me.
Noneho ahantu bita touchdown nje kwinywera akantu. Kwaraki niho biri kubera na minga niho abasinzi bari guhurira bakarya show n'undi bugi
Mannequin nigga.
ariko uri igishushanyo kuki ugihagasaho.
Go run with someone else's life, man.
Shaka undi muntu cyo kwangiriza ubuzima.
Attorney Varney, thank you.
Urakoze ratavoka.
Just give me a call if you.
Uze kumumagara nugira icyo ukenera.
Will do.
Ndabikora. Oya.
Don't call her, nigga. Call me.
Ntumumagarira umugore uhamagara nge. Guki?
You not hear me, nigga? Don't.
Sasa uyu yakeka ko avoka Varney aryamana n'umugore we kumba aryamana na Charles. Charles.
Why are you such a fucking ass?
Ese kuki umubwira nabi?
Let me ask you something.
Ako reka ngira icyo nkubaza.
Did you know that big nigga was fucking?
Murabizi kino niga iryamana n'umugore wanjye.
Why don't we just.
Ariko bakoresha imvugo mbi ntugire ngo nkuko mvuze ngo kuryamana nyine nikaba mubajije. Nyine itawimagine ari nka cya kigabo kibyibushye kiri kubivuga imvugo cyakoresha. Niyo nabakoresheje.
Lie train.
No, tell no lie.
You are a liar, but why don't we get to the truth?
Kuki tutabwizanya ukuri?
I told you in the car.
Nkuko nakuye mu modoka.
Bitch that you were sleeping with is now married to.
Indaya mwaryamanaga yashyingiranywe na so. Ibyo bintu kuki uri kubyirengagiza?
Sick shit.
Urumva ibyo bintu bitababaje?
You and your
we na so
fucking the same piece of pussy.
Mwaryamanaga ku mana yanjye. Mwaryamanaga basi n'umukobwa umwe kugira ngo byubahe ariko bamwumvisha ukuntu abivuzemo. Mwakiki kuki ni iki kimwe? Discipline ntayo.
Let me talk to you.
Tugiye kuvugana.
My office.
Garage.
No, you don't. Not in
Umva ntago mwaganira mwenyine nanjye ndaza.
Better be careful. Your mother's not here.
We wicunge mama we nawe uri hano. Bisobanuye iki?
What is that? Your resting bitch face?
No.
Kuri kureba isura nk'iyindaya.
I'm looking at.
Oya iyi sura niyo mba mfite yo ndi kureba umuntu w'ikigoryi.
Stupid motherfucker.
Iyo ndi kureba ikigoryi nuko mba ndeba.
Think about this bitch.
Ndashaka kumenya buri kimwe kuri iyo ndaya igiye kutuyobora. Ubwo bari kuvuga Kimi.
No, I'm the fixer.
Urinde suri president. Nduke muri bibazo. Nye muri bibazo byawe byose. Nye muri bibazo bya so. Nye bibazo bya nyoko. Nye muri bibazo bya company. Bivuze ngo ni njurenze. Kandi koko niwe muntu usa nk'uri seriye muri uru rugo.
I'm done with you. Years ago.
Je nawe twararangizanyije imyaka myinshi yashize.
Something I couldn't fix.
Hari ikintu kimwe cyananiye gutunganya. Ikintu cyananiye gutunganya muri iyi famiye yanyu nuko igitsina cyawe kitakibasha gufata umurego.
It works perfectly with another woman.
Umva igitsina cyanjye iyo ndi kumwe n'abandi bagore batari weho kirakora neza gifata umurego. Tutararenga hano mbabanze mbabwira akantu kamwe. Ushobora kuba nyine wumvisha ijambo n'umugore avuze ngo igitsina cyawe wa mugabo wanjye we ntago kigifata umurego. Ariko umugabo aramubwiye ati ariko iyo ndi kumwe n'abandi bagore tugiye kuryamana gifata umurego. Buriya rero nimba hari ikintu kivura navumbuye igitsina gufata umurego ukanahatwika ugakora neza. Jya muri farumasi yose kwegereye ugenda ubaza akantu kitwa ngo kawaviti. Kawaviti urayizi? Kawaviti yinjira muri farumasi guru duhumbi duke nimba ari 200 nimba ari uduhumbi 3 ukajyane mu rugo wisomereho bakita kawaviti. Urebe none ibikorwa biri buze kugenda bihinduka mu myubakire y'urugo, mu mabanga y'abashakanye, cyangwa se ushaka gutahana amapeti. Wica muri farumasi nujya gutaha ubabwira ati mume kawaviti. Tuma umumotari atijya muri farumasi iyo ariyo yose mu gihugu babwira ati mpa kawaviti. Urebe ibintu biri buze kuba. Urebe.
Let's talk.
Urabizi tujye kuvugana.
Right behind your ass.
Umva ndagukurikira.
But you know what, Jules?
Ako shiro bizi.
Disappointing it is to have a man with a dick.
Uzi uburyo bibabaza kugira umugabo ufite igitsina kidafata umurego. Uzi ikuntu bibabaza mbega ni kumbwira ngo uzi ukuntu bibabaza kugira umugabo udafuta kawaviti utazi kawaviti ibintu iri gukora hano hanze. Umugore nicyo kimubabaza cyane. Guturiya mugabo ari injije atazi ko hari akantu kitwa kawaviti. Nibyo bibabaza no mugore.
I don't know anything about that.
Ariko umugabo nawe akavuga ati nyamara ngiye nuko wenda atari weho niyumva mu buriya birashoboka umugabo wabona atanamwiyumva muri ku mugabo itwara mubonye yageze mu ndaya n'abandi bakobwa bo hanze arahatwika.
Let me just talk to him for a second.
Urabizirika muvugishe segonda.
Let me just please.
Buretse muvugishe.
Okay. Talk.
Sawa. Ni umuryango kandi uru rugo rumeze nka zango zanyu zose.
Jules.
Jire.
No, you don't know. Did you set him up?
What did I tell you?
I don't give a damn what you told me. Did you put that bitch in?
Iriya ndaya niwe wayipashe papa.
Why would I do that?
Yeah, you did it.
Just think about it. I wouldn't do that.
No, Jules, you actually would do some shit like that. That's the thing, you would.
Roy, you need to calm down. All right?
Ukeneye gutuza. Ndaza kugushakira undi mukobwa utaruriya muryamana.
I don't trust you no more.
Ntago nyikwizera.
Matter of fact,
uzi?
I've been working on.
Maze uzi iminsi ndi no kuyigushakira iyo ndaya.
You gonna love her.
Uraza kuyikunda.
Ikubaha. Anything you want.
Izajya gukorera icyo ushaka cyose. Ino family ifite ibibazo. Abantu bari mu bibazo k'indaya igiye kubayobora yajyaga iryamana nawe none bari kumubwira tuza kuba amafaranga n'ibiki byose iyo ndaya igiye ndaza gushakira indi ndaya muzajya muryamana. Urumva ko aricyo cyari kimuhangayikishije. Niriya ndaya wamaye mbere nabyo niko wambwiraga. Iyi ngiyo ndayizeye. Nukuri ndakubwiza ukuri. Ndagukubita pase y'amazi. Uranzi. Ndagukubita pase.
I do know you, Jules.
Ndakuzi Jiri.
I do.
Ndakuzi.
Like I said, look at the fucking situation.
Iyo situation turimo nona.
Lives with my fucking father.
Let me just set it up.
Uriya mukobwa agiye kuba ameze nka papa.
Gonna love her.
Bugiye muri hotel basi nk'iminsi 2 umarane iminsi 2 niyo ndaya ngiye kuguhuza nayo. Iminsi 2. Roy.
You need to calm down.
Ufite gutuza.
Going on.
Ufite ibibazo byinshi biri kujya mbere.
I do.
Ndabifite.
So do what you need to do and get in the hotel and just do your.
Gaho cyo muri hotel ukora akazi kawe umuze n'uwo mukobwa ndebe ko ibibazo byanjye byashira. Mbega famille.
Done.
Sawa. Wibuke kugura kawaviti.
I will drive my wife around. The tall one.
Kira kigori gisigaye gitwara umugore wanjye. Sinshaka kuzongera kukibona aravuga vuga.
He's gone.
Yagiye. Ndakomeje. Sasu yakeka kavuka ryamana n'umugore kumba avuka we n'umutinganye. Burari igiye mukeka abantu ngo baryamana n'abagore banyu kumba abantu baryamana ahubwo n'abagabo banyu.
I got it.
Ndakumva. Yeah.
Is she still in there?
Aracyari maho yi. Ajya sinshaka guhura n'umugore wanjye. Pfa kwinjira. Uyu mugabo. Kigoryi gusa. Uyu arabatuka arabazi ko bakororejwe n'ibiyobyabwenge baze kari ubapasa inda. Jackson.
What did y'all get him?
Wewe muntu mwamukuye.
The stolen car at Lakeland.
Yarari mu modoka yibwe ya Lakeland. Angel.
You got yourself in some deep shit, boy.
Wa muginge wishize mu bibazo bikomeye. Angel dore nguyu. Kora telefone. Hamagara hano.
Yeah.
Yego?
Jules.
Jire.
You won't believe this.
Ntabwo bintu uri bubyize.
Got time for small.
Nta mwanya mfite utuganiro tworoshye.
Angel is here.
Angel ari hano.
Where is he?
Hehe.
She at the police station.
Ari kuri station ya polisi.
For the Lakeland carjacking.
Bamufunze kubera gushimuta imodoka ya Lakeland.
I'm on my way.
Ndi mu nzira nza.
Be here, I got him.
Ndaba ndi hano mufite. Rebe. Yeah.
Sweet on my ninja, tell him thank you for the hit. Breaking up ninja, we ain't breaking this. Come try your luck.
Barakwereka ya ndangamirwa yindiri mu modoka iyi nimba muyibuka muri ya club y'amansuzi. Ndangamirwa none iyo zabonye imodoka murazizi zigenda. Hello.
Hi. May I speak to Felicia?
Naba ndi kuvugana na Felicia.
Who this is?
Inde tuvugana? Mallory.
Who?
Inde?
The lady on the perm box.
Wa mugore mwawuri muri club akagutamo.
Hey. Hi.
Biti.
What's up?
Meze biti.
I have $1,000.
Mfite igihumbi nshaka kuguha cy'idolari.
You need a brain.
Cinzanire.
Look, you haven't called me about Kim.
Utamamagaye ngo amakuru ya Kimi.
Oh. Cause I ain't seen her.
Nukubera ko ntigeze mubona.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Well, actually, I did see.
Nako naramubonye.
But look, you gonna have to tell me what you want all this.
Ariko mbwira impamvu ukeneye amakuru ya Kimi.
Listen, do you want the money?
Ese urashaka amafaranga?
Okay, tell me.
Rero mbwira amakuru ye.
I don't talk without cash.
Nago navuga utari amakashi.
Don't.
Indaya nyinshi niko mumera. Guki?
Give me that money.
We mama faranga.
I'll meet you with it.
Tugomba guhura.
I ain't that stupid.
We nago ndi ikigoryi.
Actually, I think you are.
Genda cye kuri cyo.
Do you want the money or
urashaka amafaranga cyangwa?
In my damn.
Ende yashaka mu ntoki.
How about we do this?
Reka nkwereke.
Why don't you tell me a little
Sira makuru macuma kuri Kimi?
You with the money and then.
No nituza guhura uze kuma ndi makuru asigaye ngo amafaranga.
Now why would I do that?
Kubera iki byo nabikora?
Felicia, it's business.
Felicia ni business.
Do you know how much money?
Ako uza amafaranga nkorera muri club.
I also know that your throat is.
Ndabizi kujya umeze nabi mu ngoto. Ukava ku kazi tujya kwa muganga.
You a real bitch.
Akuri indaya.
No, I am.
Ndabizi ndiyo.
And I'm offering you the kind of money to where you don't have to run to the clinic.
Ndashaka guha amafaranga ku buryo utazajya usubira kwa muganga.
Will you fuck with $3,000?
Wakinisha ibihumbi bitatu.
10,000.
Niyo bya bihumbi 10.
Money in my hand.
Iyo nafite cash mu ntoki. Nta kintu navuga.
How about this?
Kangwereke.
What's your address?
Mbwira iyo utuye.
Come and get it from me.
Magusanga inzu mayo mafaranga.
Address, you're not coming here.
Urabizi nago nagwa adresse zaho ntuye nago wanzira mu rugo. Mvira muri phone rira yita mukupa. Ni indangamirwa. A1. Aramukupye. Yininja. Uyarashaka amakuru?
Redial her 10,000 times.
Yeah. Uyarashaka kwimenyera amakuru. Marori niwe muntu uri seri arashaka kumenya amakuru ya nyayo kuri Kimi amenya umuntu ugiye kubayobora. Do. Ibi nta kibazo aba yifitiye. Apfa kuba yabonye kokayine aza muri firigo. Yabonye kawaviti kugira ngo abashe kubinoza nta kindi kibazo aba afite. Yo. Zano. Yo. Meze bite?
What a day.
Pega umunsi.
You ain't gonna pour me one?
Je nago nsukira kuri bombastic. Suka muhano.
You know what I love?
Uzi icyo nkunda?
Me?
Singewe.
How you just be walking in here like this your house.
Usige winjira wanje nkari iwawe.
It ain't gonna be yours either if you don't start taking this seriously.
Nawe mbamo ino nzu utayifata ngo biri seri.
What does that mean?
Bisobanuye iki?
Charles, you got diluted by 10%.
Bagukase 10% ku migabane yawe. Ariko bisobanuye iki? Nsobanurira.
About $8 million.
Mbega ni nka hafi miliyoni 8 wakaswe z'idolari. Okay. Nabwo ntabyumvisha. Nta mibaraza. Abona arya nyina kanywe. Uzi icyo bisobanuye?
You just told me.
Nyina urabimbwiye.
Charles.
Charles.
You even look at the accounts.
Ubundi ujye ureba kuri konti yawe cyangwa urya amafaranga gusa.
Let me explain this to you.
Reka mbigusobanurire.
As I have over and over again, you get a certain amount of money.
Ufite amafaranga buri kwezi yinjira ashingiye ku migabane yawe.
That goes down.
Ayo mafaranga yagiye hasi kandi amaze iminsi ajya hasi.
You're not going to be able to afford.
Nta nubwo uzigera ubasha kwishyura ino nzu ubamo cyangwa se kuyigumana cyangwa amamodoka yawe cyangwa se indaya zawe
or your drugs
cyangwa se ibiyobyabwenge byawe.
Make sure that shit don't happen.
Nyine ubikora uko ushoboye sura avoka wanjye ntibikunde. Ukora uko ushoboye amafaranga yanjye ntamanuke.
Not taking this seriously.
Bino bintu ntabwo uri kubifata nkaho biri seri.
You know all them numbers and shit give me a headache.
No uzi ko imibare intesha umutwe. Ntukambwira ibintu by'imibare.
Okay. If you don't.
Kuki nabyitaho se nimba nawe utabyitaho iby'imibare y'amafaranga yawe?
Care?
Ugomba kubyitaho.
Why should I?
Kubera iki nabyitaho?
Don't.
nawe utabyitaho.
Arnie, I appreciate you looking out for me. Okay, but
what?
Iki?
Aren't you worried about your car being parked out front?
Ese nagutekereza uhangayikishijwe nuko imodoka yanjye iparitse hanze? Ya, iparitse hanze. Nashyize mu garage.
The fuck you parking my garage for?
Why not? You got an empty space because of the Lambo, right? Oh, you remember that night? Chasing your horse, car gets shot up. We think you're dead. You know, all that shit. All that bullshit you keep putting us through. Remember that? That's why it's in the garage.
All right, so I guess your little excuse worked, huh?
Ndakeka inzitwazo zawe zirarangiye. Nta rwitwazo mfite.
I can't talk to you.
Naje hano kuvugana nawe. Nanone.
If you say so.
Mbari kumbivusa. Uyu nta kibazo na kimwe abafite. Ahita co.
Where you going?
Ugiye?
Take a nap.
Ngiye kuba nirambitse. Ku karahure.
How am I supposed to help you help yourself?
Kuki udashaka ngufasha kwifasha?
Well,
byiza.
You know how horny I get.
Urabizi ukuntu mba mfite akantu k'ubushake bwo gukora imibonano. Niko buryo bwibashye
right now.
Ngiye ndumva aricyo nyeneye none hakuza tukaryamana turashize tukastani. Uno musore kubera kunywa kawafiti rero cyane aca kuri farumasi buri gihe ataje akanywa ka kawafiti ahorana ubushake bwinshi.
You do know your dad is in the hospital.
Urabizi papa wari mu bitaro ndetse ari gupfa.
Right.
Ibyo urabizi?
Yeah.
Ndabizi ko papa arwaye ari gupfa.
You can think about his sex.
None icyo uri gutekereza ni imibonano mpuzabitsina.
I'll be thinking about sex at his funeral.
No ku kiriyo cye niyo nzaba ndi gutekereza. Urashaka ko turyamana cyane nabyo ushaka?
I really don't understand.
Nta musore ngiye sinjya mbasha gusobanukirwa.
I bet you understand his ass.
Ngiye ndabiza agatafari kanjye ubasha kukumva. Yoboke bano batinganya agatafari ngo niko muganga yabandikiye. Nunyenera ndi mu buriri.
Hey, your dad is dying, you know that.
We papa wari gupfa none wari muri ibyo.
So all you think about is sex.
We utekereza ni imiki niki? Ni segisi. Segisi ni bisobanuye iki simba mbizi.
Why my dumb ass keep falling for this shit?
Akukino muginga buri gihe umeza ngo mu mutego ariko ubundi aho ndebere ba ya mabogari ngo mukunda yateruye ibyuma naho ndebere babasheri banyudo nuko bameze bose je narabakurikiranye.
Wow. This is
bano bageze ku rugo.
Why are they just standing there like that? A scary movie.
Bashaka kuntu bintu neza bimeze nk'ayamaza ateye ubwoba yo muri filime. Bageze ku rugo ni indangamirwa dore voka buriya rero gukira nitombora kubaho ni Yesu. Bageze hano basige babakingura n'umuryango indangamirwa zagendaga na tapa ndigo. Batangiye kuzikingurira umuryango. Turabakoze. Harahanze kugira umukozi ntago bibaho ubundi. Turabakoze. Bo mu rugo.
I've never seen it in the daytime.
Nubwa mbere inzu nanjye nyibonye ku manywa nayibonye ari ninjoro. Bimeze nka bya bintu byo mu migani. Nababwiye ngo inzu ntisanzwe.
Hello Mrs. Bellery.
Muraho Madame Bellery. Batangiye kumwita izina ry'umugabo.
Hello.
Muraho ntago arabyakira.
Hey James.
Niwe bita James.
James the butler man.
Ni James the butler.
Oh, that you have no bags.
Ko nta bikapu mufite? Ntabyo.
Mr. Bellery wanted me to assure that you have all.
Mr. Bellery yambwiye ko ibyo mukene byose mugomba kubibona.
Let me introduce you to your staff.
Reka mba present abakozi banyu.
She's your chef.
Uriya niwe chef wanyu, uyu mugore.
Sous chef.
John ni sous chef.
The head of housekeeping.
Uyu Margarita niwe ukuriye housekeeping, abakora amasuku.
He and his team take care of the grounds and the stables.
Bara nabita ku kiraro no hanze amasuku. Ku kiraro cy'amafarasi ntugire ngo ni ikinka. Yesu Kristo.
What's that old shag doing?
Karakazu gashaje nakandeze.
Please.
Well, that's actually the house that Mr. Bellery.
Iriya nzu yari ya papa wa Mr. Bellery.
Father bought all.
Ndetse yari yaraguzwe na sekuruza.
For a former slave, wouldn't you say?
Ngira ngo urabyumva niwe mucakara wa mbere waguze inzagura ni isambu yose.
Families' mansions are built.
Amazu y'abanyamuryango bose yubatse muri isambu.
Just pass.
Y'amazu yose twaciye n'abayabo muri uyu muryango.
The families?
Yego. Bafite isambu nini cyane.
Wait, so Roy
bivuze ngo na Roy atuye hakurino. Inzu ya mbere mwaciye muza kuri uyu muhanda ni ya Roy. Aha abana n'umugore we Mallory.
What's she like?
Mallory ameze ate? Mallory ni mwiza, urasa kumukunda.
He already does.
Yamaze kumukunda.
You do?
Wayne.
And this is Whitman.
Whitman.
Security.
Ni ukuri abashinzwe umutekano.
They don't talk.
Bara ntago bavuga se.
Girl, shut up.
Zibariko.
Incredible.
Ko bahagaze nk'ibitenteze.
Let's get you all inside.
Mureke tubahe karibuni ndani. Yagasani. Ni ukuvuga ngo bafite isambu nini cyane ku buryo amazu yose y'abahungu be bamuze bose buri ari hafi hano y'iyi nzu ya muzehe n'ubundi ntago batuye kuri. Baby.
So how is she?
Ameze ate?
I don't know yet.
Simbizi.
You'll be appointed to her team. Yeah. Okay.
Bagushize mu ikipe yego.
I'll show you the ropes and where
you nkwereke rero aho nawe uzajya urara nimba ari uzajya batwara buno ugiye kujya urara hano.
You got any military experience?
Ufite experience y'ibya gisirikare yo kubarinda. Toka satani. Kambe ngiye.
Yeah, something else.
Yeah. You know you need to get some curtains to this house, right?
There's not another house I can see in here.
Okay.
Big old freak.
Just a freak for you.
So what was this all about?
What do you mean?
You coming here seducing me? You up to something?
Waje hano uje kundeshya uhimba utuntu tukuzanye. Ndikumva naba ndebye hirya.
You seduced me just now.
Nawe ndikubona muri kano kanya bwari uri kugenda undeshyari. Sirashaje.
You don't get it.
Mugira we ntago byumva.
Still don't get it, do you?
Nubu ntago urabyumva.
No, I get it.
Oya ndabyumva.
Get it? What is it that you get?
Uri kumva iki?
Tell me.
Gira.
You don't want me to go out?
Nagushaka ko nsohoka.
I want you to go out.
Sinjya nifuza gusohoka.
What is it you want to tell me?
Nicyo ushaka kumbwira?
That I love you.
Ko ngukunda.
Excuse me.
Buretse bumvuyeho gato. Nkunda.
What do you mean?
Ushaka kuvuga iki?
Oh, that.
Look, that's not going to keep me from going out tonight.
Ibyo ngibyo byo kunkunda ntago byatuma nasohoka iri joro n'umuhungu buri joro arasohoka akajya kurya isi.
Will that be enough for you?
Ese basi hari igihe nzaguhaza njyenyine? Baruka umuhaza mu biki? Oya ntago wampaza turashize. Mubwiza ukuri ntago wampaza.
What do you mean now?
Uravuga iki ngo hoye?
Look, I want to get some rest.
Urabizirikana iruhukire.
Why?
Kubera.
Because I put it on you, right?
I want to get some rest so I can be up.
Waretse nkaruhuka kugira ngo ninjoro nze kubona uko nisindira nasohotse muri touchdown.
Fuck you.
Aramutuka.
Fuck you.
Avoka itabyuka nadutera umwaku gusa. Rebe.
Barney.
What?
Rebe ahita yambana. Yeah.
I mean, but not good enough for me to stay.
Charles, you know what? You a piece of shit. Why do I fuck with you?
Because I got you wrapped around.
Urabizi wenda gufite rega ibyo wakwigira byose.
You keep believing this shit.
Ni kukomeza kwizera ko mfite cyane. Ko kuri.
You better be glad I need some rest.
Ahubwo wishime ko ngiye kuruhuka. Nimara kuruhuka turongera turyamane.
You'll be back.
Uraza kugaruka Vani.
See you later.
Tuze gusubira. Kiri gusokoza. Ndabizi urashaka ko twongera kuryamana. Kisano.
What the fuck did I just...
Nibiki numvishije. Yihuriye na Roy arabivumbuye. Nibiki numvishije Roy abaguye harabimenye ko baryamana. Ndaje mu kanya twirebera izindi episode tugasoze karangire.